Good morning. Sorry for the noise in the background. That's my air conditioner. It's kind of my life today because it's supposed to get up to 93 today. And that just doesn't happen here. I mean, it does, but it's very rare. We are going to pack orders, and I know I'm a hot mess. I'm still waking up, trying to decide if I want to actually do anything or not, because some days you're like, why not? Some days you're like, why? First things first, I just printed out the stack of orders from my Friday night game night on TikTok Live. If you guys don't follow me over there, make sure you do. Every Friday night between 7 and 8, I usually get started and we play games. This Friday was Sticko, so that is my version of bingo, and there was a prize under every single sticky note, and in order to get a sticky note on the board, in order to claim a square, you place an order. That was a lot of fun, and it drummed up a little bit of business for me, which is good because business has been really slow. So I'm focusing more on my digital services and my coaching services. I'm going to be focusing this week on my courses. In the meantime, what I'm doing right now is going through the invoices, figuring out who won what, writing that down so I don't forget any of their prizes, getting their orders ready to go, getting them shipped out the door. I also really want to edit my YouTube video so I can get that up for Wednesday at the least. I have kind of a mishmash vlog that I am putting together. Today's Monday. You might see this on Saturday, hopefully. Let's get to work. Turn the air conditioner down a teensy bit. It's 79 outside right now. It's only 10:30 and it's supposed to get up to 93, but it's really cold in here right now, so I turned that down. So hopefully you can hear me better. I just went downstairs, made some breakfast, and then I made myself a little coffee. This tumbler was given to me by one of my very good small business friends, Valeska. She made that tumbler for me. She put all that glitter in there. So pretty. This is a toffee and caramel latte. So good. I have done one round of stickers so far. I am currently getting my second round off the mat. And then my next task is to make custom name stickers. On Fridays when I get orders, I do custom name stickers for those orders. I'm gonna finish getting these stickers done. I'm gonna do those custom name stickers, and then I'm gonna start packing orders. I have about 16 total orders, but a lot of them are repeat customers, so I just go by how many customers I have. I have about 7 or 8 to do. That's what my day is gonna be like, and I'm going to hopefully be able to make it to the post office. I'm gonna get crack-a-lackin', and I'll let you know when something exciting happens. Here we go. All right, so it is now 90 degrees outside. It says the high is supposed to be 91, so it's predicting a little cooler than originally thought, but my air conditioner is back up to full speed, so super noisy. I do apologize for that. Right now, what I am working on is I need to draw my custom name stickers for my game night from Friday. I'm getting my iPad out, and I'm getting ready to draw in Procreate these custom name stickers. I know what I want to draw now, but I just have to actually get it down onto paper. I'm going to film on my iPhone so that I can post to TikTok because we need content, right? And I think at the same time, I'm probably going to film this for a separate YouTube video because I think it might be a good tutorial to do. So, you're not going to see a time lapse of this drawing, but make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can see this video when it goes live. I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm not done with this vlog yet. We'll see how the day progresses. I still have to pack orders, but I have to get this sticker done so that I can get it printed and put into the orders that I need to pack. So, that's what we're doing, and here we go. Okay, so I just went ahead and filmed that video, so hopefully that'll be up soon. You guys can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and get those stickers into Design Space, get them printed out and cut out, and then I'm gonna start packing orders. And I'm probably not gonna make post office cutoff today. We'll have to schedule pickup for the morning, so, which is fine with me. But I do have to go to my P.O. box. Dilemmas. All right, let's do this.